Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be trying to guess video games by sounds only. Now, again, I got this idea from Smosh. Sorry, I can't come up with my own ideas, I guess. So, well, they did something similar. They didn't do exactly this, but they did guessing video games from the music, but I'm gonna see if I can guess video games from the sounds. Now, I know games, and I know, like, some games. I don't know all of them, though, so we'll just see how many I know, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, so apparently I get 1 point for guessing the game and 1 bonus point for guessing like the sound, like the name of the sound, I guess. That's pretty fair. Okay, let's go. That's obviously Super Mario Bros. I don't know what to call it, like power up sound effects. Yeah. Hey, I got it. I got 3 points. Oh, pretty cool. Oh my god, that's GTA Wasted. Oh, GTA 5 Wasted sound. Pretty cool. Or Busted. I said Wasted though. GTA 5 Wasted / Busted. That is Sonic the Hedgehog ring collection sound. Or ring sound, whatever you want to call it. Oh wait, so I'm at 4 points now. Sorry. Hey, I said ring collection. It says ring collected. I'm gonna go ahead and say that I got that extra point. Hold on, there's a stupid ad. So now I have 6 points because I'm pretty cool. That's The Legend of Zelda, and that's the... Hold on. I don't know what it's called exactly. Like, item get, or like something with the item. Like item collected. Yeah. Item collected. Secret. Oh man. Fuck. I only got 7 points. I didn't get the sound right. Gosh. That's Minecraft, and that is the eating sound effect. I don't know what to call it. Oh, yep. Okay, so now I have 9 points.
It's time to go. Hey.
What? I have no idea what that is. And I don't know the game. I guess I don't get this one at all. The Sims talking Simlish language. Please don't come after me, but I haven't really played The Sims. I might have played it like a tiny bit, but I don't think I have, so please don't come after me. I don't know this sound either, or the game. Diablo Gold Drop. I wasn't gonna get that in a million years. I think it's like Tetris or something. I don't know the sound though. Pokemon healing. Bruh. Oh. That's Metal Gear Solid. Like Encounter or Surprise. I know the song is called Encounter, but like I don't know what this, or like Alerted, something about alert or encounter or surprise. I don't know, but I know it's Metal Gear Solid. I just don't know exactly what the sound is called. Alert! Ah, yes! Let's go! So now I have 11 points. I'm actually pretty cool. I'm the goat. Wait, I think I know this. This is like that witch from Left 4 Dead or something, I think. Yeah. Or like Call of Duty or something. It's one of those. Oh, yes! It's Left 4 Dead. Now I have 13 points. I know that one because of my brother. What the hell is that? I don't know. I can't guess this one. Age of Empires. Sound. I don't know that. I don't know Age of Empires. Oh, that's Among Us. And that's... I don't know what the sound is called. It's like meeting or like evacuation or something about the imposter. I know it's Among Us, but I just don't know what the exact sound is called. If it's one of those things I said, then I'll allow myself the extra point. But if it's not, then I'll just allow myself the point for the game. Did I say... I'm gonna have to look over the footage. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and allow myself the extra point because I did say meeting. I didn't say emergency meeting, but I said meeting, so I'm gonna allow myself the extra point. So that's 15 points from me. I'm doing so great at being a nerd. That sounds like a fighting game. Like Street Fighter, Tekken. I'm gonna go Street Fighter, and I don't know what the sound is called. Maybe like punch or like uppercut. I don't know. Hopefully that's right. Skyrim. Oh, I just made something. I don't know what that is. It's like an older game. Tetris! What? That sounds like Pac-Man or like, well, not Pac-Man, but like...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
A game like Pac-Man. Not Tetris, though. Oh, that's Roblox. And that's the ooh sound effect. Or the dying sound effect. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I just got 17 points because I'm cool like that. I'm a G. I'm a boss. There's another ad. Okay. Wait, what was that? I think I know this one. Fuck. It's like Metroid, but I don't know the sound. Doom! Oh, man. Hey, I got the shooting part right. That's Yoshi's Island or Super Mario World 2. Wait, hold on. Stop.
Have a time.
Like, it's either Yoshi's Island or Super Mario World 2 Yoshi's Island, and then, like, baby crying or something with crying sound effect. Yeah, so now I have 19 points. I'm pretty cool. That kind of sounded like GTA 5, like the plane, but it's probably not that. No, it's Halo. I don't know Halo. Ew, whatever this is, it's like a scary game. I don't know. Some kind of scary game. I can't guess it. The Last of Us! It's a clicker! Oh man, I should have known that one. Shit. Oh, this one's Pac-Man. It's the eating or like the moving sound effect, whatever you want to call it. Eating Pac-Box. Yep, I have 21 points now.
Finish him.
21 Savage. Finish him. Sound effect.
Finish
Mortal
him.
Kombat. I don't know which Mortal Kombat it is, but it's Mortal Kombat.
Finish
So it's just the
him.
first one, or just any of them, I guess. Yep. And I have 23 points. I don't know this one. I'm not gonna guess it. World of Warcraft Murlocs. Nope. Not my thing. It sounds like something Zelda-y. I don't know what it is though. Fallout 3. That's not Zelda. Oh, that's Duck Hunt, and it's the dog laughing, or yeah, the dog laughing sound effect. But I know it's Duck Hunt for sure. I just don't know what the sound is called. Hey, dog laugh! Wow, I'm actually surprised that that's what it's called. Okay, so I have 25 points.
Do a barrel roll.
That's Do a Barrel Roll, and it's from Star Fox. One of the Star Fox.
Do a barrel
Maybe
roll.
Star Fox 64, but it's Do a Barrel Roll.
Do a barrel roll.
Hey, I'm glad I said 64.
What have
So
I
now I
got?
have 27 points.
What have I got?
What?
What have I got?
Nope, I'm definitely not gonna get this one.
What have I got?
Crash Bandicoot. Aku Aku Power.
Pentakill.
Play that game. I haven't played it.
Pentakill.
I don't know this one either.
Pentakill.
Legends. Pentakill. Fuck, I know this one. It's like at the tip of my tongue. It's like Final Fantasy. But I don't know the sound name. Victory? I know this because of Smash Brothers. Wow, I just got 29 points. If that's not right, I'll edit it in. But I think I have 29. That's Banjo-Kazooie, and that's like the item collection sound or something. Whatever you call it. Jiggy Fanfare. That's not what I said, so I guess I only get 30 points.
Gear of reporting.
Gear of Reporting. I'm gonna guess the sound effect name, but I don't know the game. I just said that because I think that's what he said. Gear of Deploy.
Gear of
Conquer
reporting.
and Conquer? I don't know that.
Yeah!
Yeah! Rayman. Yeah, level complete. I played Rayman like on the 3DS. I think it was Rayman Legends, but I didn't really play the other Rayman games. Don't hate me. Wait. Sounds kind of familiar, but no, I'm not gonna guess it. I don't know it. Oh, Breath of the Wild cooking. I've only played Breath of the Wild once, and I didn't even play the full game, so I wasn't gonna get that. Fire in the Hole, but I don't know the game. I don't know. Nope. Counter-Strike. Grenade throw. Definitely don't know this one. Goose Honk, Untitled Goose Game. What the fuck is that? It sounds dramatic or like mysterious, but I don't know what it is, so I'm not gonna guess. Dark Souls 2, Perry. Perry?
Perry the Platypus!
I know that one. That's Mario Kart, and that's the item sound effect. I have 32 points, I think. I don't know this one. I definitely don't know this one. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater Special Trick. I wouldn't have gotten that. That's Kirby eating, inhaling. I don't know which Kirby though. Maybe like Kirby's Adventure or Kirby Superstar. Something Kirby. But it's Kirby eating, inhaling. Oh, Kirby's Dream Land. I didn't say the game, so I guess I don't get the game. But I did say inhale. So 33 points. Street Fighter, and that's the... Fuck, I don't know what that sound is called. What is that sound called? I can't guess the sound, but it's Street Fighter. Maybe Street Fighter 2? One of them? I don't know. As long as I get one of them, I guess. I got it. Oh, I said Street Fighter 2! Oh, it's character select. I got the game, but not the sound, so that's 34. Oh my gosh, that's Yoshi sound effect, and I don't know, Super Mario, maybe. Wait, Super Mario World, because that's like the Yoshi mount sound effect. Jumping on Yoshi. I'm still gonna get myself the point. So that was 36, I think. Okay, I guess I got 36 out of 40. So yeah, how did you do compared to me? Were you playing? I hope you were playing, because if not, that would make me feel kind of sad. Because, I don't know, I don't want to be the only one doing this. But, yeah, that was me guessing video game sound effects. If you liked it and you want me to do something similar to this, something involving games or game knowledge in any capacity, because I like to flex a little bit about that. Hence the Mario shirt. Then yeah, just tell me in the comments if you would like to see that, and I will do it, probably. Yeah, that's all for this time. Bye.